Okay, it is Thursday morning, getting ready to see clutch in. Car started 10 o'clock. Car sat overnight. It was in first gear when it was left. Shifted out fine, and having issues now pulling into reverse actually. So clutch is in, not going into reverse. If I let out, I let out the clutch a tiny bit, and then the car popped into reverse. But it was with the clutch all the way down, it was completely locked out of reverse first, which is interesting. That's the first time that's happened. So I'm backing down the driveway. And just pulling out here a little bit. Clutch is still in, by the way, as I did that. Now, clutch in, clutch out, clutch in, and then I can't put there. Now it popped into first, but you saw how hard that was to pop into first there. It was completely resistant and just wouldn't go in. So I guess good morning trial. Now I'm gonna mow the yard. All right.